आओ झूमे गाएं सारे, संगीत के चुन लें सितारे। आप जो यहाँ आ गए हैं तो चल दीजिए सफर पर साथ हमारे। मैं अंकिता केशरी आपका स्वागत करती हूँ इस 7 सुरों के विशाल समंदर के सफर पर साथ चलने के लिए। पर सबसे पहले आपका परिचय करा दूं उन लोगों से जिनके कठिन परिश्रम और लगन के कारण आज हम आपसे यहाँ मिलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। ये जो 2 नाम आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, म्यूजिक क्राफ्ट और गायनैक, ये सिर्फ 2 नाम ही नहीं है, ये एक समूह है, ये एक कारवां है संगीत के प्रेम में डूबे कुछ उन लोगों का, जो ये सफर शुरू उन्होंने किया एक इंसान से और अब ये खत्म होगा अनगिनत पर जाकर। दोस्तों, आज संगम है 2 संगीत की नदियों का, संगीतमयी नदियों का, जो शुरू हुई बहना म्यूजिक क्राफ्ट यानी डॉक्टर शांतनु दास और डॉक्टर प्राची दास के घर से, और बहते हुए आई गायनैक यानी डॉक्टर रामनाथ अय्यर अशोक और डॉक्टर कविता रामनाथ के घर तक। म्यूजिक क्राफ्ट संगीत प्रेमियों के लिए कोई नया नाम नहीं है, कोई पहली बार नहीं सुना होगा आपने, लेकिन गायनैक का नाम आप किसी मंच पर पहली बार देख रहे हैं। गायनैक नाम सुन के आपको लग रहा होगा कुछ तो खास है इस बात में, इस नाम में। तो नाम में खास ये है, गाना आए या ना आए गाना चाहिए। जी बिल्कुल, गाना आए या ना आए गाना चाहिए। एक ऐसा सफर शुरू किया गया, बस यूं ही साथ मिलके गाने का ये सफर था, और आज चल के हम आ गए हैं इस मंच तक। और इस सफर में हमारे नायक रहे डॉक्टर रामनाथ अय्यर अशोक जी का मैं बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करती हूँ। इस सफर शुरू हुआ था संगीत के प्रति मोहब्बत से, और आज दिन है उस मोहब्बत के इजहार का। और डॉक्टर रामनाथ अय्यर अशोक ने देखे कि संगीत के फूलों की खुशबू जगह जगह बिखर रही है। उन्होंने समेटा उन फूलों को, अपने साथ लेके चलना शुरू किया, और आज गुलदस्ता लेके हम आए हैं आपके सामने यहाँ पर।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Prem Kumar, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this very unique show and to celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is associated with love. Love is an irresistible desire, to be irresistibly desired, and is one of mankind's most enduring emotion. You see, life is like a keyboard. The keyboard, you have got the white keys and the black keys. The white keys represent the happy moments in life, and the black keys represent perhaps the sorrow moments in life. But you need both these to create melodious music. Kabhi khushi, kabhi gum.
Okay, good evening once again. All of you, I hope, are enjoying the love songs specially planned for this event. And I would just like to take a few minutes to tell you as to how the whole journey has started and where we are today. So, ladies and gentlemen, Awadino Hazrato, this group called Gana Aaye Ya Na Aaye Gana Chahiye, the acronym is there for you to see, GAYNAGC, and with the support from my Music Craft, we have reached a stage. A small time set of people who started singing together have today come to this position of performing on stage. And it's a dream that has been seen by Dr. Ashok. And it's not that he has just dreamt himself. He has had the support and guidance and mentorship and friend philosopher guide in one gentleman who has his hands, like we say, sar pe haath. So that is what Mr. Venkat has done for all of us, who himself is a veteran of running this kind of shows. And Venkat has been there for many of our practice sessions where he has seen, evaluated, given very good inputs very constructive criticism for us to take it further and improve. So we would like to really thank from the bottom of the heart Mr. Venkat, and with him his wife. We would just like to have them come over because this is Valentine's, so we need the senior pros who are still in, and he's a teenager for all that matters, you know, when it comes to having the programs for any of the things that he organizes under the banner of Club Nostalgia. All the nostalgic songs are handled and taken care of, chosen, and even evaluating the people who are going to be singing. So Venkat, we would like to thank you from the bottom of the heart for all that you have been doing for this group, which is a very small amateur group which is now taking steps. Thanks to you. It has been a wonderful journey. So may I request, so we would like to felicitate Mr. Venkat for all the trouble he has taken and helped us. And of course, behind success of every man there is a woman. And Mrs. Venkat has been there always, all through. So it is a great privilege and pleasure that they are in the midst of us. So Venkat, thank you once again. We would like, you should not go away because we want you to sing a few lines. Today is that, Valentine's Day. So youngest in this group is going to be really doing some romantic numbers. Thank you.
Thank you, Lex.
In the center, please. In the center, please.
My mind goes back to about 12 years ago when I was like Dr. Ashok, trying to learn the nuances of how to organize a show. I am not a singer by any means. And if I am asked to sing, that can be the biggest mistake these people are doing. I make others sing for your information. I am very happy to be here in the sense that the efforts that go to organize a show like this, I can only congratulate Ashok and his team for the immense. I can only caution him in one way that the passion that he has, somehow I see myself in him. I can only wish, I have attended 2 or 3 of their rehearsals. There are many budding singers here, and I can see that possibly in sooner than later, Ashok and his group will be staging a show in nothing lesser than Shanmukhananda. Wow! My blessings to you.
सारे के सारे गाँवों को लेकर गाते चले। शो के गीतों के सफर में आपका स्वागत है। आप सभी लोगों को बैठा हुआ देखकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है, आश्चर्य भी, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तानी व्यक्ति ऐसी किसी भी चीज पर बैठना पसंद नहीं करता जिस पे वो लेट नहीं सकता। मुस्कुराने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आप सब बैठे हैं, बहुत खुशी की बात है। आपकी इस खुशी में हम सब खड़े होकर शामिल होंगे। बस अब कुछ ही देर में आपका हम सफर शुरू करेंगे। इस सफर के कप्तान और कप्तान डॉक्टर रामनाथ अशोक अय्यर और डॉक्टर शांतनु दास स्वयं आपका मनोरंजन करेंगे और कप्तान ने यात्रा शुरू करने के संकेत दे दिए हैं। कृपया अपने मोबाइल साइलेंट मोड पर कर दीजिए और अपनी पेटी कसकर बांध दीजिए। बस इसी थीम को लेकर आज आपके सामने गायनिक और म्यूजिक क्राफ्ट प्रेजेंट करते हैं तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए।
So here we go today. हम किसी से कम नहीं. The third show of JSS Music Academy under the banner of Music Craft Gainak. Let's go back to when it all started. May 2015, when Dr. Ramnath along with a few passionate singers used to jam together. ये सिलसिला 3 से 4 महीने तक चलता रहा when we came across this gentleman, Mr. Vishwambar Das, who introduced us to his son, Dr. Shantanu Das, who was already organizing shows under the banner of Music Craft like Tere Mere Sapne on 18th of October, Ehsaas on 16th December. These two brands, Music Craft and Gainak, as you can see over there, they decided to collaborate, and thereafter they started the spree of organizing shows. Their first show was on 26th of December, Aao Jhume Gaye, 7th Feb, Lehre, 13th Feb, Aaj Ki Shaam Pyar Ke Naam, which was a Valentine's special show. Then we had a show dedicated for women's on 13th of March, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, which was followed by 10th April, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले, 22nd May कभी खुशी कभी गम, Evergreen Burmans, 10 June at Mysore Association Auditorium, which was one of the professional projects of Musicraft Gaynak. There we felt a need that we had a huge following of people who want to learn music, and that's where the birth of JSS Music Academy happened in May 2016. Thereafter, we started organizing shows for the singers who wished to sing, but they couldn't, really pursue career in the singing. So we decided that if we can give a stage or a platform to such people who wish to sing, but they don't want to pursue or they cannot pursue their career in singing, that would be great. So that's how we started this concept of JSS Music Academy, जहाँ पे आप जैसे मेरे जैसे लोग, ठीक है मैं अच्छा नहीं गाता, but then I want to sing and I want to feel how does it feel to come on this platform and sing. So that's how this concept of JSS Music Academy started. The first show was on 19 June, Chai Barka Bahar, with 24 vocalists of JSS Music Academy, followed by Rang Rang Ke Phool Khile, having 32 vocalists of JSS Music Academy, and here we are with the third show of JSS Music Academy with 34 singers. Wow! In midst of all these academy shows, we also had shows organized under the Musicraft Gaynak banner, SAS2, on 15th of August, a show dedicated to Akash Iyer's birthday. He happens to be Dr. Ramnath Iyer, the co-owner of this banner. Akash Iyer's birthday, Dhoom Machale Dhoom. Apart from having training academy, we as Musicraft Gaynak banner are also into organizing professional shows, which I earlier mentioned. We had a professional shows with professional singers Alok Katdare, Sangeeta Medikar at Mysore Association Auditorium in Matunga. Lately we had a show at Gadkari Rangayatan Auditorium on 14th of October, Tumne Pukara aur Hum Chale Aaye, with Sarvesh Mishra, Pallavi Kelkar and Madhura Deshpande, along with Allad Balika. So, now that you all are well versed with who we are, what we are and what today's show is for, so let's proceed with today's show, Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi. Good evening, all the ladies and gentlemen over here. I welcome you on behalf of Musicraft and Gaynak to this beautiful presentation, Kuch Dil Ne Kaha. This is the 22nd show of Musicraft Gaynak in this auditorium. It's been 1.5 years since we started. We diversified into training academy, professional shows and private shows. Like today we are here organizing a private show under the direction and leadership of Shri Vishwambar Das ji. He's 75 plus and the zeal that he has, the passion that he has for the music, that even today he is organizing shows over here. I would like to request you all to give a huge round of applause for this young man at heart. Let me tell you about few of our upcoming projects under the category of training, that is JSS Music Academy. JSS Music Academy is a training wing of Musicraft Gaynak that is into giving a platform for all the singers who wish to sing but they do not pursue a career in that field. So आप जैसे मेरे जैसे सिंगर्स जो शायद बाथरूम में गाते रहेंगे, हम वो सीमा खींच के स्टेज तक ले आते हैं और आपको यहाँ पे आके गाने की एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं. So this is done under the banner of Musicraft Gaynak through JSS Music Academy. We have been doing shows since a year now, done with 5 shows. The next show is scheduled on 8th of Jan. It's a Sunday, 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. Today, through this banner, JSS Music Academy, under the name of the show, Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, we will be presenting to you a diversified collection of music over here through all the 26 vocalists that we have today over here. कुछ इंग्लिश गाने होंगे, कुछ हिंदी गाने होंगे, कोई साउथ इंडियन गाने होंगे, तमिल गाने, मलयालम गाने होंगे. Let's not waste time in this. We have a lot of entertainment performances coming ahead. आप सभी का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ on the behalf of Musicraft Gaynak's JSS Music Academy. Today we are here to give a platform and exposure to 36 vocalists of JSS Academy through our show Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, the 6th show of JSS Music Academy and the second part of Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. Mile Sur Mera Tumhara part 1 was scheduled in the month of January, 8 Jan to be precise. So this is the second schedule of this show. उस शो में आपने कुछ अलग चेहरे देखे होंगे, आज यहाँ पे आप अलग चेहरे देखेंगे. JSS Music Academy is an organization, a subgroup of Musicraft Gaynak, a training wing of Musicraft Gaynak that is into coaching passionate music lovers. There are many people who cannot pursue their careers in singing, but then JSS Music Academy, through the help of Musicraft Gaynak, aims at giving exposure, experience, the live feel of what it is to sing on the stage. So quickly, बीच-बीच में मैं ये सब आपको बताते रहूँगा कि JSS Music Academy कैसे ऑपरेट होता है, कैसे यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग की जाती है. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, on the behalf of JSS Music Academy and Musicraft Gaynak, welcome you all to this wonderful evening, this wonderful show. Mera naam hai Shabnam, presented by Dena Bank. Myself Amrit Achipalia, along with Radhika Sriram, are your hosts for the evening. To talk more about the theme today, I would like to hand over to Radhika ji. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself Amrit, आपका host for the evening, along with Radhika Sriram, जिनसे आप कुछ ही देर में मिलेंगे. हम दोनों Musicraft Gaynak and JSS Music Academy की तरफ से आप सभी का इस महफिल में तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं. Musicraft Gaynak is an entertainment group which is based in Thane. It is known for presenting a package of entertainment through its professional shows, theme-based shows, corporate shows across Mumbai and Thane. JSS Music Academy is a training wing of Musicraft Gaynak that focuses on offering one-of-its-kind experience to the passionate music lovers and aspiring singers. Programs में तो technical issues कभी खत्म ही नहीं होते हैं. Okay, so before marching ahead towards the beginning of this beautiful and a wonderful evening, I would like you all to know what is the theme for today's show. Night in London, a grand musical extravaganza of scintillating Bollywood numbers. Cabaret songs, club songs, आप समझ गए होंगे, आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, especially the gents. It is led by live music band, and the show is led by Digambar Mankar and team, along with our in-house chorus team, which is led by Raji Gopal, Satish Iyer and Pranjali Dutt, along with a large group of 40 vocalists of JSS Music Academy. Give a huge round of applause for this crazy family who is here to entertain you all today. Ray Man Sur Mega. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amrit Achipalia, your host for the afternoon, welcoming you all on the behalf of Musicraft Gaynak and JSS Music Academy. We, a group of more than 50 plus passionate music lovers, today are presenting proudly the 21st show of Musicraft Gaynak under the leadership of Dr. Shantanu Das and Dr. Ramnath Iyer. Musicraft Gaynak, as a brand, is known for quality and concept-based presentations. On the professional front, whereas on the training front, it has a coaching wing by the name of JSS Music Academy, wherein the passionate music lovers and aspiring singers are trained rigorously to perform on the stage with live music. Till our last professional project, Musicraft Kainak presented quality shows across Mumbai and Thane with professional singers, professional artists. But now, with a vision to bring the new budding talent at the forefront, for the first time, the brand has decided to promote its own singers from the academy. So today, with this show, Re Man Surmega, we have the most promising singers from its own academy, the JSS Music Academy. A huge round of applause for Dr. Ramnath and Dr. Shantanu Das. A special mention for today's launch. I would mention over here Indraneel Mukherjee, professionally from the corporate world, but with us he is known for singing in the voice of Hemant Kumar. Vaishnavi Sriram, a classically trained singer, at present pursuing her education with Whistling Woods School of Media and Entertainment under the guidance of Mr. Subhash Ghai. Avanti Dalvi, a 14-year-old. She is about to give her 4th Gandharva examination and she has cleared 3 examinations with distinction. And Priyambada Devanathan, a 12th standard student, a budding guitarist with the excellent voice. A huge round of applause. We are proud to introduce them in today's show, Re Man Surmega. Before beginning today's musical journey, I would like to express gratitude to our well-wishers and our sponsors. A special mention for Mr. Lakshmi Narayan and Mrs. Lalita. A huge round of applause for them for being with us together. Mr. Vaibhav and Mrs. Kirti Dalvi. Mr. Sriram and Mrs. Radhika. Mr. Padmanabhan and Mrs. Bhagyam. Mr. Nathan and Mrs. Lakshmi, thank you so much. We are very grateful to have you with us throughout our journey and in the growth story of this brand. We would also like to thank LIC, Dena Bank, NJ Fashionista, Breakfast.in, True Healthy, Smile Dental Clinic, who have been with us and supported us to present this show for the audience of Matunga. Thank you so much. Bollywood has given us excellent collection of songs over these years in the voice of Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Rafi, Kishore Kumar and many more. And it is really very difficult to pick the few gems from this vast ocean of collection of songs. Today we have tried to pick a few to present in front of you in the show Re Man Surmega, where we are going to talk about what it takes for a song to sound melodious to our ears. Sur, Le, Tal, hence the name Re Man Surmega. The songs have been taken from various genres like romantic, classical numbers, peppy numbers, and our vocalist will do their best to reproduce the song as it was done originally. Also, I would like to mention that in today's performances, there will be a big support from the in-house chorus team of Musicraft Kainak and JSS Music Academy. A huge round of applause for the chorus team. आप उनको सारे performance में देखेंगे, definitely. Till our last professional project, Musicraft Kainak presented quality shows across Mumbai and Thane with professional singers, professional artists. Myself, Amrit Achipalia, आपका होस्ट फॉर द इवनिंग, म्यूजिक्राफ्ट काइनेक एंड जेएसएस म्यूजिक एकेडमी की तरफ से आप सभी का इस हसीन महफिल में तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। म्यूजिक्राफ्ट काइनेक इज एन एंटरटेनमेंट ग्रुप which is known for presenting class entertainment shows through theme-based shows, academy shows and professional shows. It is a group primarily based in Thane. JSS Academy is a training wing of Musicraft Kainak. It aims at offering one of its kind experience of performing on stage through rigorous training for the passionate music lovers and aspiring singers. Today, we are proud to present the 22nd show of JSS Music Academy and Musicraft Kainak. प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया, a live Bollywood presentation powered by NJ Fashionista with our associate sponsors Palani, MK Gym, Rudra Universe, Refreshment Partners, Breakfast.in, Healthcare Partners, Smile Dental Clinic, and Mahir Maternity Home. आज आप यहाँ पे धमाल मस्ती वाले गाने सुनेंगे, so I'm sure you all going to enjoy the show today. Musicraft Gainak and JSS Music Academy. This is the 23rd show in the last 18 months that Musicraft Gainak has presented. A huge round of applause for this achievement, and soon we are approaching the 25th show, the Silver Jubilee of Musicraft Gainak. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Amrit Achupalia, on the behalf of Musicraft Gainak, welcomes you all to this show and this beautiful evening of Agar Saaz Chheda Tarane Banenge. Musicraft Gainak is an entertainment group known for presenting a package of entertainment through elite and professional shows, academy shows, and corporate shows. To talk about academy shows, Musicraft Gainak introduced the concept of academy, the JSS Music Academy, exactly 12 months back, with the aim to offer stage singing exposure to the passionate music lovers. We started organizing shows in Thane. These shows were done on the monthly basis. Today we are proud to celebrate the first year anniversary of our academy, the JSS Music Academy. Apart from the academy shows, Musicraft Gainak also ties up with the corporate brands to present the professional shows exclusively for the corporate organizations. Finally, to talk about today's show, we have not more than one reason to celebrate today. With today's show, Agar Saaz Chheda Tarane Banenge, Musicraft Gainak completes 25 shows. So this being the Silver Jubilee show.
Wow, what a start. A melodious start to the evening of music. So, hi everybody, and welcome to one and all to a gala evening of song and dance. This is Nach Meri Jaan. आज की शाम कुछ खास है. This is Musicraft Gainak's 27th show and is dedicated to fellow singer member Rishikesh Patil as a celebration of his birthday. And today we are also celebrating the birthday of another member of our group, that is Amol Mohan Das. So, a very happy birthday to him. So, the participating singers tonight are the members of the JSS Music Academy. You will be served a whole range of musical flavors, ranging from professional to understudy. और इसमें तो किसी की आवाज़ एक मुरब्बे की तरह मीठी है और किसी की चटनी की तरह तीखी और किसी की तो खट्टी मीठी है जैसे कच्चे आम की तरह. Let me tell you a little bit about this academy before we carry on. The academy, we aim to provide a platform to passionate music lovers, aspiring singers. The JSS has grown into a family of more than 60 members in little over than a year. The Gurukul type of atmosphere is very engaging, very encouraging, and the directors of the academy, Drs. Ramnath, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Shantanu, and in fact all the other members who are professionals in their own right, are invested thoroughly in bringing out the best in each other as singers and performers. During the jam sessions, I noticed, एक दूसरे का नमक और भेजा खाते हैं. What I mean is, a lot of mithai and namkeen is shared, and at every session there is a brainstorming done about songs and music. And उसके बाद अगर time permits, they also enhance music knowledge, सुरों को संवारते हैं, अदाओं को निखारते हैं और personality को तराशते हैं. Confidence भी तो boost हो जाता है. Tell you what, the doors are open. Walk in to join today और अपने अंदर के कलाकार को खोज निकालो. Get inspired and be an inspiration yourself. I am Dr. Chetna Rani, the radiologist for whoever wants to know, and your hostess for the evening. आज हम गाएंगे, नाचेंगे, ऐश करेंगे, और क्या?
Once again, wishing you all a very good evening. आप सबने हमारे बारे में टिकट्स और बैनर्स के ऊपर जो लिखा है वो पढ़ ही लिया होगा. लेकिन आज मैं आपको मेंबर्स, एकेडमी, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, किसी से भी नहीं मिलाऊंगा, बल्कि मैं आपको आज एक परिवार से मिलाऊंगा। हमने अक्सर सुना है, हम अक्सर बातें करते हैं कि ये शो इस ऑर्गेनाइजर ने पेश किया है, उस ऑर्गेनाइजर ने प्रेजेंट किया है। बट टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट दिस ह्यूज फैमिली ऑफ 60+ पीपल, this family has organized today's show तारों में सच के। A huge round of applause for the entire family of JSS Music Academy. These are not professional singers. I am not a professional compare. But we wish to pursue our hobbies, which we couldn't because of our professional commitments. So JSS Academy gives a chance to all like-minded people to come on the stage and sing. काफ़ी गाने लिए आज हमने. So like we have a lot of seen faces and the family members of our own members in the group. आपको पता है कि सबको अकोमोडेट करना है and सबके सॉन्ग्स को भी आपके सामने पेश करना है. So मैं ज़्यादा यहाँ पे वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करूँगा. A very warm welcome to one and all and a very happy Diwali to every one of you in the house. Happy Diwali! Yes. आप सभी लोगों का इस खूबसूरत महफिल में तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ. This is Amrit Achipalia, your host for the evening. आज के सुरों के कारवां में आपका साथ दूंगा. ये जो कारवां है गोया के चुनांचे, म्यूजिक क्राफ्ट गायनैक्स JSS म्यूजिक एकेडमी, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपके सामने पेश कर रही है. आपको आज ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं करवाऊंगा.
नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. मैं हूं रोटेरियन प्रेम कुमार और संगीत की इस महफिल में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है. 7 समंदर, 7 फेरे, 7 जन्मों का साथ, इंद्रधनुष के 7 रंग और संगीत के 7 सुर. इन्हीं 7 सुरों ने न जाने कितने लेजेंडरी गीतकार, संगीतकार और सिंगर्स दिए हैं. ये है हमारा साथ, बस आप देना साथ. आज सुरों का कारवां है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी टेक यू इन द बॉलीवुड टाइम मशीन फॉर एन exhilarating experience, a never before experience of Hindi film music from the early days till now. And in each and every case, we shall try and showcase the significant aspects of the composition. We wish to thank our sponsors and promoters without whose support this event could not be organized to such a grand scale. VGN Jewelers, White Light Enterprises, Street Hoppers, Body First, LIC of India, Tashkent Jewelers, Jekyll Investments, and wish to inform you that White Light Enterprise is a comprehensive financial advisory consultancy. Their services include financial planning, tax planning, retirement planning. White Light Enterprise also facilitates life insurance, health insurance, vehicle insurance, and property insurance. White Light Enterprise deals in and facilitates direct equity trading and mutual fund investments. You may visit them on whitelighenterprise.com or visit their stall just outside the auditorium.
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you all to this beautiful evening with a lot of warmth and vigor. Musicraft Gainak, in association with JSS Music Academy, is organizing and bringing this event to you on behalf of Shri K.V. Lakshmi Narayan and family. A big round of applause. Our housing partners, Jekyll T Ventures. नमस्कार, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल. आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के इस मनोरंजन और मस्ती से भरे शाम में, जिसका नाम है ऐसा मौका फिर कहां मिलेगा. दोस्तों, ये शाम कोई मामूली शाम नहीं, बल्कि एक अनुभव है, एक सफर है, जिसमें एक व्यक्ति के स्वभाव से जुड़ी कई भावनाओं को अपनी सुंदर आवाजों में कुछ मधुर गीतों द्वारा व्यक्त कर आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं हमारे बहुत ही होनहार कलाकार। ये कलाकार आपको एक अलग ही दुनिया, एक अलग ही सैर पर ले जाएंगे। तो चलिए हम और आप इस हसीन शाम में इस सुनहरे सफर पर निकल पड़ते हैं इन नायाब नगीनों के साथ। अजी, ऐसा मौका फिर कहां मिलेगा।
Once again, a very warm welcome to you all, and let me tell you about today's show. ज़माने को दिखाना है, एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाए. This is the 35th show of JSS Music Academy and Musicraft Kainak as a brand. Musicraft Kainak, a brand based in Thane, an entertainment group which has its coaching wing, JSS Music Academy. It's been 2 years now. We have been training people and organizing shows for all the group members of ours. Apart from that, we have also been organizing professional shows with professional singers across Mumbai and Thane. To be precise, at Matunga we have been doing shows at Thane. So this being the 35th show, Zamane ko dikhana hai by the star singers of JSS Music Academy brings to you some nice Bollywood numbers in front of you. काफी सारे गाने हैं लाइव ऑर्केस्ट्रा पे आज आपके सामने हम पेश करेंगे. We have more than 32 singers in today's show. So a huge round of applause for all the singers in the house over here. A very warm welcome to one and all. Doctors, engineers, lawyers, bankers, singers, media professionals, homemakers, businessmen, pilots, you name it, and we have it all. The JSS Music Academy, the training wing of Musicraft Kainak, brings to you the 37th show, Jhoom Barabar Jhoom. Myself, Amrit Achipalia, along with Revati, आपके host है आज शाम के लिए. Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, a concept show based on Maikhana and Qawwali hits of Hindi cinema. JSS is a hobby group that fulfills the desire of every passionate singer and music lover by helping them stand over here on this stage. So if you are thinking that you could be one of us, yes, come talk to us. Maybe in the next show, you will be standing over here on this side. Without taking much of your time, I would like to invite Revati Sridhar on the stage, my co-anchor for the day. She will be taking you along for this beautiful evening, Jhoom Barabar Jhoom. A very warm welcome to one and all. Ex-students, teachers, associates of SIS High School. To this musical evening, Chale the saath milke, chalenge saath milkar. This show is presented by Musicraft Kainak Entertainment. Its training wing, JSS Music Academy, for its musical group based in Matunga, SIES Musical Dhamaka. Myself, Amrit Achipalia, Jaya Kadne, your host for the evening. Musicraft Kainak, an entertainment group based in Thane that primarily is into organizing events, entertainment and events based out of Thane. It organizes events in Mumbai and Thane. It was the year 2015 when it started its training wing, the JSS Music Academy, that focuses on training and mentoring aspiring hobby singers. Yes, we are hearing this term, hobby singers, for the first time. With the objective of promoting hobby singing and nurturing singing talent amongst working professionals, youngsters and seniors, the Academy organizes shows across Mumbai and Thane, as I said, and makes all its members sing on the stage. There's a beautiful story of how does the Musicraft Kainak brand, the JSS Academy, and the name of SIES comes together.
भारतीय तहजीब और भारतीय सभ्यता का निर्वहन करते हुए हम इस शाम की शुरुआत भी करेंगे दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ, दीप लाइटिंग के साथ. I would request, लेकिन जैसा कि कहते हैं काम की शुरुआत में अगर ईश्वर का नाम लिया जाए तो वो काम निर्विघ्न संपन्न होता है। आज की ये शाम जो एक बधाई की शाम है, जश्न की शाम है, इसमें भी हम उस परवरदिगार आलम को याद करते हैं, उस ईश्वर को याद करते हैं एक प्रेयर के साथ। Thank you. Air Force Station Thane, the Mumbai Defenders are majority into the role of safeguarding the skies against any odds. Since its inception, the unit is not only protecting the skies by keeping 24/7 vigilance, but is also actively helping Mumbaikars during the need against the calamities. The role during flood relief and also events like Swachh Bharat speak in its own. The station is also entrusted to spread the awareness about the role of Indian Air Force as part of defense forces and encourages youth to join the Secret Service. It is a great honor that today you all are going to witness an auspicious musical evening which we dedicate to our defense personnel who selflessly devoted their precious lives towards safeguarding the nation. Today, it's our privilege that we have the distinguished guest, Group Captain, and Mrs. Manu Kapoor, Station Commander, 26th Wing, Air Force Thane, the Mumbai Defenders. We also have Air Commodore and Mrs. R.P. Singh, Air Officer Commanding Air Force Station, Canary Hill, with us. मैं आप सभी से निवेदन करूंगा एक बार जोरदार तालियों से उनका सम्मान करें। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। जितने भी तत्व होते हैं, जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, चाहे वो धरती हो, चाहे वो जल हो, चाहे अग्नि हो, चाहे वायु हो, ये वाहक भी होते हैं। और जब भी कहीं कोई विपत्ति इन दिशाओं से, इन राहों से आती है तो उनको डिफेंड करने के लिए भी फोर्सेस होती हैं। आपने देखा है, आप जानते हैं, थल सेना होती है, जल सेना होती है, पुलिस होती है, फायर ब्रिगेड होती है। उसी तरह से आकाश मार्ग से, वायु मार्ग से जब कोई विपत्ति आती है और उस रास्ते को रोकना किसी के बस की बात होती है तो होती है वायुसेना के बस की बात। मैं जोरदार ताली उन लोगों के लिए चाहता हूं जो वायुसेना का एक हिस्सा बनकर मुंबई को वर्षों से बचाते आए हैं, संभालते आए हैं और हम सबको एक चैन भरी नींद देते आए हैं। जोरदार तालियां हर एक सिपाही के लिए, हर एक उस ऑफिसर के लिए जो जी जान से इस देश की इस सेना के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है। और आज की शाम को हम, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि दिस इज द गोल्डन जुबली, हम संगीत के साथ मना रहे हैं। संगीत क्योंकि हम सबकी जिंदगी का एक हिस्सा है। संगीत जो लोगों की जिंदगी का हिस्सा है, सदियों की सौगात है, पीढ़ियों का किस्सा है। कभी कबीर की वाणी में मिलता है तो कभी मीरा के भजन में, कभी मिलता है सूफी फकीरी में तो कभी मिलता है संत कीर्तन में। संगीत अजान में सुनाई पड़ता है तो कभी मंदिर और गुरुद्वारों में, कभी गिरजाघरों की प्रार्थना में तो कभी दुखियों की पुकारों में। कभी संगीत भोले के डमरू का नाद है तो कभी संगीत कला की बांसुरी का, कृष्ण की बांसुरी का प्रसाद है। जहां इंसान ने सरहद डालकर अपनों को किया पराया है, वहीं संगीत ने पर पसार कर दिल से दिल मिलाया है। तो इसी संगीत को माध्यम बनाते हुए आपके दिलों तक पहुंचने का हम प्रयास करते हैं और शुरुआत करते हैं आज की शाम की एक ऐसे गीत के साथ, एक ऐसे फिल्म के गीत के साथ जो पहले सुपरस्टार की पहली सफल फिल्म थी। फिल्म का नाम था आराधना, जिसमें राजेश खन्ना साहब ने एक एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर की भूमिका निभाई थी। जी हाँ, उसी गीत को आपके सामने पेश करने के लिए मैं आवाज देना चाहूंगा एक बहुत ही नायाब फनकार को, एक बहुत ही नायाब आवाज को, जिन्हें आप जानते हैं डॉक्टर शांतनु के नाम से। डॉक्टर शांतनु लेकर आ रहे हैं वो गीत जिनका साथ निभाने के लिए आ रही है एक बहुत तेजी से उभरती हुई आवाज जो कई दफा इस मंच से अपनी आवाज से लोगों को मोहित कर चुकी है, विभा वाजपेयी। Before we start, जिन्होंने आज की शाम को सजाया है, मैं चाहता हूं मैं उनके सम्मान में भी कुछ तालियां आपसे मांगूं। जी हाँ, मैं जोरदार तालियां चाहता हूं डॉक्टर मोहन चंदावरकर साहब के लिए। मैं जोरदार तालियां चाहता हूं मिसेस मीना चंदावरकर जी के लिए। मैं जोरदार तालियां चाहूंगा डॉक्टर संदीप कदम जी के लिए। और साथ ही यहाँ पर बहुत तादाद में जितने मुझे पुरुष दिखते हैं उतनी भी महिलाएं दिख रही हैं, तो मैं जोरदार तालियां I would like to have the big round of applause for First Lady, Mrs. Manonmani. And before we jump to the songs, I think I would request to display the presentation.
Our vision for the Rotary Foundation began 100 years ago.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and good morning. Good morning. नाश्ता नहीं किया.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. A very warm welcome to one and all on the behalf of Music Rav Gainak Entertainment and JSS Music Academy to the show वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगे तुम मेरा साथ, the 38th presentation of Music Rav Gainak. Music Rav Gainak as an entertainment group is known for presenting a package of entertainment across Mumbai and Thane through its entertainment shows for the masses. On the training front, Music Rav Gainak runs a music academy. As you can see, we call it as JSS Music Academy. The objective of the JSS Music Academy is to promote hobby singing. Yes, hobby singing. We have more than 50 members in our group, जिसको हम training देते हैं, and see to it that they come on this stage and present the performances in front of you. So, अब मैं कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा कि वो लोग कैसा गाएंगे, क्या गाएंगे, आप अपने आप देख लीजिए। बिना ज़्यादा वक्त लिए हम आज का शो शुरू करते हैं। वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगे तुम मेरा साथ। A very warm welcome to all my dear friends. इतनी जोरों की बारिश, संडे का दिन और आज की ये महफिल, और क्या चाहिए सावन के इस महीने में। मैं अमृत अचिपाल्या, आपका होस्ट, एक बार फिर आप सभी लोगों का इस सुहानी महफिल आया सावन झूम के मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। Today's theme, as you can guess, rain, monsoons and retro Bollywood hits. जी हाँ, बारिश और हिंदी सिनेमा का जब जिक्र होता है, कई प्यारे बारिश वाले गाने हमें याद आते हैं, जैसे अब के सावन में जी डरे, टिप टिप बरसा पानी, मेघा रे, एंड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन। आज ऐसे ही कुछ बारिश वाले गाने हम आपके सामने पेश करेंगे। JSS म्यूजिक अकेडमी आपके सामने पेश करेगा। JSS म्यूजिक अकेडमी के स्टार सिंगर्स आपके सामने पेश करेंगे। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आज सभी परफॉर्मर्स के लिए जो एज अ पैशन म्यूजिक परस्यू कर रहे हैं। कई लोगों का आज आपको डेब्यू परफॉर्मेंस भी देखने को मिलेगा। JSS म्यूजिक अकेडमी क्या है, हाउ डज इट फंक्शन, हाउ डज इट ऑपरेट, आई विल डेफिनेटली कम ऑन टू दैट। आपका ज्यादा समय अब नहीं लेते हुए लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडेज शो। आया सावन झूम के, a monsoon Bollywood extravaganza powered by Akruti Fertility Center.
Friends, as you can see there, no, that's not the one. Labak Jabak Tu Aaye Re Badarwa. The theme is going to be monsoon songs. So get ready to be drenched in the onslaught of rain-themed songs for the day. I am hoping that you are carrying enough rain protection because this area is going to be a splash zone. And get ready to be drenched, guys. So let us start the proceedings with a wonderful, the most iconic of rain songs from the Bollywood.
Hello. Namaskar. Adab. Good evening. I think it's a weekday, so people are just filling in the auditorium. So we would love to start the program because of paucity of time. In a lot of occasions, the songs get cut, which is very unpleasant for the artist and the singers. So we thought we'll start it on time. So huge welcome to all the lovely people assembled here on time. That's nice to hear that. Without prompting. Lovely. तो आप सभी खूबसूरत श्रोताओं को इस महफिल कहाँ मेरे गारे मेरे संग मेरे साजना. The titles are so confusing, no? I take half a day to, just by heart this piece. Yeah, that is talk for you. So huge round of applause. Welcome once again. ये title जो है, if you have seen the title, it means a lot. It means sing along. So look at the vision of Majroo Sultanpuri Sahab. In 1970, he predicted that all these apps, Star Maker, Sing Along, and Smule will come along and change our lives. So what we intended to today, आज हम यही कोशिश है कि ये जो फासला है दर्शक और कलाकार का, आज हम फासले को मिटा देते हैं, इस दीवार को गिरा देते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि आप सभी हमारे साथ गाएं, नाचें, इस प्रोग्राम का भरपूर आनंद उठाएं. और एक चीज मत भूलना कि समय समय पर आपका प्यार, आपका आशीर्वाद तालियों के रूप पर इन कलाकारों को भेजते रहना. तो एक सैंपल प्लीज हो जाए प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द प्रोसीडिंग्स.
A small introduction for JSS, which will be given by Mr. Amrit Achupalia.
JSS Music Academy, Thane's first and one of its kind hobby singing group. A musical family of more than 51 like-minded hobby singers. The performers of today aren't professional singers, but have definitely brought about proficiency in their singing through rigorous training and rehearsals. They are like you and me. We have engineers, doctors, lawyers, businessmen, homemakers, working professionals, and also a few school-going children performing with us today. All the performers of today's show once had a wish of exploring their singing, and we just enabled them to pursue it. Likewise, if you wish to pursue singing, explore your hobby, and sing with us, you are welcome to join this family of JSS Music Academy. Our contact details are mentioned on the tickets. Feel free to call us and find out how you can be a part of stage experience at JSS Music Academy. In a nutshell, the whole idea of JSS Music Academy is to form a strong community of hobby singers and make everyone sing live on stage like today in front of beautiful patrons like you. JSS Music Academy, in its pursuit of making everyone sing, organizes live shows for its academy members and has successfully done more than 35 shows in a short span of 2 years. Looking forward to many more hobby singers to join us in this beautiful journey and have many more entertaining shows for the masses of Thane.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly fasten your seatbelts as our flight number JS39 is about to take off.
Good evening, Namaskar, Vanakkam, Sat Shri Akal. You must be wondering why am I saying in all these languages. Well, our program today is on regional songs. Welcome to our 40th show, the 40th show of our academy, the JSS Academy. It's going to be a 3-hour of extravaganza, musical extravaganza called Chora Ganga Kinare Wala. This program intends to transport you to the different regions of our beautiful country. पिछले महीने जब हमने एक प्रोग्राम किया था जहाँ पे हम आपको दुनिया की सैर करवाने ले गए, तब बहुत सारे हमारे दोस्तों ने कहा पहले हमको हमारे भारत देश की तो सैर करवा लो. तो here we are taking you from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Assam, by introducing you to the flavors of different regions through its rich, diverse, rhythmic and melodious music. हमने बॉलीवुड के कुछ ऐसे गाने चुने हैं जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और उसकी एक खूबसूरत माला पिरोही है और इसका हर एक फूल आपको किसी न किसी प्रांत की खुशबू देगा. हमारे देश में कोई सेलिब्रेशन हो, तो संगीत तो उसके साथ जाता ही है, चाहे शादी हो या किसी बच्चे का जन्म हो या हार्वेस्ट का सीजन हो या फेस्टिवल हो, और ये म्यूजिक अपनी रीजनल फ्लेवर लेकर आता है. सो आई एम योर होस्ट टुडे. माय नेम इज स्नेहल and Amrit will be joining me as my co-host. So let's start.
Thank you so much. Myself, Amrit Ashokwalia, a warm welcome to one and all to the JSS Music Academy's 48th show, Chora Ganga Kinare Wala. She has already introduced the show. Going ahead, I would like you all to know all our musicians today over here. Keyboard par hai Mr. Prasad Pathare. A round of applause for them. Second keyboard पर है Mayur Datta ji. Speciality about him is he is currently playing in the team of Indian Idol. Yes, Mr. Mayur Datta. Vinod Salvi ji on dholak and hand sonic. Vinod Dimbalkar ji, dholak, congo, dholki and dhol, multi-potent definitely. And then we have Mr. Daniel Green on percussion and the music arranger for the evening. A huge round of applause for them, guys. We started in 2016. Since then, as I just said that the 40th show. इस journey के दौरान there have been people with us जिनके support से हम यहाँ पे आज आए हैं. So one of them is Mrs. Lakshmi and Mr. Nathan. They are with us today. A huge round of applause for them. They are in the first row. Right from the day one, they were with us, and even today, they come all the way from Chembur every time, every show. So we are really fortunate to have you. Along with them, we also have a few associates and sponsors, and one of them is Sona Properties, who has been with us since the beginning. They have been aiding our shows. They have been helping us. And these guys have actually contributed their bit in helping us reach over here. Mr. Palani, he is the director of the brand Sona Properties, and we are fortunate to have Neeta Palani, his wife, in our group as a member, who just performed in front of you. So a huge round of applause for her and Mr. Palani and Sona Properties. A very warm welcome, dear friends. This auditorium is a bit nostalgic for us because this is where JSS Music Academy had started its first show from. Right back in 2015, in the month of December, on 26th, was the first show of JSS. And here, I think almost in a week's time, we are going to complete 3 years to this journey of organizing shows for singers who wish to pursue singing as a hobby. तूने मारी एंट्रियां रे दिल में बजी घंटियां. Yes, this song, ये लाइन सुनते ही आपको दिल में घंटियां बजेगी. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा आज के थीम के बारे में. Peppy songs, foot tapping numbers. Quickly start today's show. There are a lot of beautiful songs coming up. There are 25 singers today on stage that will be performing. There are a few kids also जिसको आप सुनेंगे. चलते हैं. आपने सुना राजश्री गोपाल, आज के शो के को-डायरेक्टर को, सपोर्टेड बाय द कोरस टीम. माई सेल्फ अमृत अचकवालिया, आप सभी का इस शो कल, आज और कल, राज से लेके रणबीर तक शो में तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ. क्षमा चाहूँगा, शुरुआत जरा देरी से हुई. आप सभी का ज़्यादा इस माइक पर मैं वक्त नहीं लूँगा. आगे बढ़ूँगा. धीरे धीरे आपको हमारे बारे में, हमारे ग्रुप के बारे में और इस शो के बारे में बताता जाऊँगा.
Good evening, everybody. And a huge warm welcome from JSS Academy to all the beautiful audience who's present over here. आज का हमारा ये शो बहुत ही अनोखा, बहुत ही यूनिक, शायद कभी भी कोई ऐसा शो स्टेज पर प्रेजेंट नहीं किया गया है. This is all about Karan Johar, and once previously said, this is all about loving your family. But हमने फैमिली को ही redefine कर दिया है और
बड़ी फैमिली है एंड आज जो हमें यहाँ पे पेश किया है वो सिर्फ नाम ही इन 60 मेंबर्स के बारे में है, बट इन 60 मेंबर्स में उनकी अपनी अपनी छोटी छोटी फैमिलियों के बारे में भी है। और जैसे भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने कहा था वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, तो हम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम तो नहीं बना सकते, बट हमने आज ये सोचा है कि हम इस जेएसएस परिवार के छोटे छोटे परिवारों को भी हमारे साथ जोड़ दें और उनको भी अपने ही रंग में रखें। तो आज भी हमारी ये कोशिश है, आशा है आप सबको बहुत पसंद आएगी। और आज का ये जो हमारे मेंबर्स की जो हर एक मेंबर की पेशकश है वो उनके दिल की आवाज़ है, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में हम अपने अपनों से, अपने घर वालों से हम वो नहीं कह पाते हैं जो हम हमारे दिल में है और हम उनसे शेयर करना चाहते हैं। पर आज ये मौका मिला है हम सबको कि हम अपने संगीत में पेशकश करना, क्योंकि वी ऑल लव म्यूजिक एंड वी एवरीबडी अराउंड अस विल डेफिनेटली लव म्यूजिक, बिकॉज आप सब यहाँ जुड़ा हुए हैं, दैट इज प्रूफ ऑफ फैक्ट दैट आप लोग भी म्यूजिक के शौकीन हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि आज हमारी जो भी मेंबर्स हैं वो अपने दिल की आवाज़ को अपने अपनों से शेयर करें उनके संगीत के द्वारा, और जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत रिश्ता है घर वालों का आपस में, माता पिता का बच्चों से और बच्चों के अपने माता पिता से, वो आज बहुत ही खूबसूरत रंग लाएगा यहाँ पर। तो वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस एंड आशा करते हैं कि आप सब इस प्रोग्राम में हमारा साथ देंगे एंड बहुत ही जल्द हम इसकी शुरुआत करेंगे। आज की इस पेशकश के साथ सबसे पहली शुरुआत तो हम करेंगे ऑफकोर्स विद अ प्रेजेंटेशन डेडिकेटेड बाय द मेंबर्स टू देयर पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर हियर इन दिस वर्ल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स, एंड इट इज ओनली जस्ट दैट वी बिगिन दिस ब्यूटिफुल शो, दिस वेरी यूनिक presentation with a section dedicated by our members to their parents. So I call upon Bhagyam ji, who is the one of, she's the mother figure. We all call her Akka, but she's the mother figure. And who better than her to start this wonderful show, because Ma is always special for everybody, and although हम उनको अक्का कहते हैं, but she is the mother figure for all of us. So उनके आशीर्वाद के साथ ही हम आज का ये कार्यक्रम शुरू करेंगे। भाग्यम जी all over to you. Thank you so much.
Hello. Good evening and welcome to the 49th show of JSS Music Academy. Beautiful musical extravaganza, which we will first start with a small prayer. I invite Raji to come and say a small prayer.
A very, very, very warm welcome to one and all, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Amrit Achipalya, your dost and co-host for this evening. Zindagi milke bitayenge, haal dil गा के सुनाएंगे JSS Music Academy's 50th presentation in Thane. From the bottom of our heart, we would like to thank all the JSS members today, yesterday and आगे जो हमारे साथ रहने वाले हैं. Thank you so much for being a part of this group. Y'all have made JSS what JSS is today. Thank you so much, guys. would like to make a special mention before starting today's show. We have with us Lakshmi Narayan ji and Lalita ji. We have Mr. Nathan and Mrs. Nathan. They have been with JSS since the beginning, since 2015. And even today they stand strong with us, with JSS Music Academy. That gives us immense confidence to go ahead. And let me tell you, the Lakshmi Narayan family comes all the way from Bangalore. This is my permanent script that I always say in all my 49 shows, and even today I am saying this. Thank you so much guys for being with us. Before proceeding for today's show, मैं आपकी मुलाकात एक स्पेशल शख्स से कराना चाहता हूं जो आज मेरे साथ इस शो की को-होस्ट भी है। हम सभी ने इन्हें मराठी टेलीविज़न और मराठी फिल्मों में देखा है। इनके कुछ फिल्मों का मैं नाम लेना चाहूँगा। व्हाट्सएप लग्न, अनन्याची आई, इरादा पक्का, दुडगुस, गुरु, गुरुची वहिनी। एंड इनके कुछ सीरियल्स भी हैं जो जी युवा इस पे चैनल्स पे देखे हैं हमने। लव लग्न लोचा, आमचे मोरे काकू, जी मराठी ये चैनल पे हमने देखा है। जावाई विकत घेणे आहे, स्टार प्रवाह पे हमने इनका सीरियल देखा है, जीव लगा। एंड सोनी मराठी पर हृदयात वाजे समथिंग। That is a serial, come on guys, don't Okay, I am a non-Maharashtrian, so please give it away for me. Yes. Okay, so put your hands together for Sneha Sandeep Raikar.
नमस्कार, मी आहे तुमची आजची को-होस्ट स्नेहा रायकर. तुमचं सगळ्यांचं JSSच्या ह्या 50व्या शो मध्ये खूप खूप स्वागत.
क्या बात है, आप इतने चमक रहे हैं, गोल्डन साड़ी, ज्वेलरी.
ऑफकोर्स गोल्डन तो होना ही चाहिए. आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचा विशेष काय आहे? इट्स अ गोल्डन जुबली शो.
जी हाँ,
2015 मध्ये काही म्युझिक वेडे एकत्र आले आणि गाना आए या ना आए गाना चाहिए असं म्हणत त्यांनी गायनॅक ही संस्था स्थापन केली. त्याचं आजचं प्रगल्भ रूप म्हणजेच JSS म्युझिक अकॅडमी. हा प्रवास करताना काही नवे सभासद ह्या फॅमिलीमध्ये जॉईन झाले तर काही जुने सभासद निघूनही गेले. पण शो मस्ट गो ऑन असं म्हणत हे JSS चे म्युझिक वेडे गात राहिले, प्रयोग करत राहिले आणि आज ते आपल्या समोर सादर करतायत त्यांचा 50वा शो. सो एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या JSS म्युझिक अकॅडमीच्या प्रत्येक सभासदासाठी.
चलिए शो के बारे में बात हो गई. आज ये शो हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं. पहले गाने को लेके आते हैं और ये शो की शुरुआत करते हैं. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to one and all to this 50th show celebration, the Golden Jubilee celebration of JSS Music Academy. जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाल दिल गाके सुनाएंगे. This is the second part of the Golden Jubilee celebration that we started off with the first show being at Gadkari Rangayatan, Thane on 28th of April. And this is the second part of this project, Zindagi Milke Bitayenge, Haal Dil Gaake Sunaenge. There's a long story behind the JSS Music Academy and how it happened, how people joined us, and a lot more. So I think I'll be taking you through the entire story with the show. For now, let's quickly start today's show. A very warm welcome, dear ladies and gentlemen. And आप सभी का मैं आज इस शो में आती क्या खंडाला, the 56th presentation of JSS Music Academy, इस शो में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आप सभी के लिए. On this working day, we are here together to witness this evening. Little about this academy that I would want to share with you is JSS Music Academy is
a one of its kind hobby singing group, which started in 2016, and it went on to help the people to pursue their hobby for singing. So इन 3 सालों में हम यहाँ तक आ पहुँचे हैं. काफ़ी सारे लोग जुड़े हमारे साथ, काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड्स के साथ हमने कोलैबोरेट किया कॉर्पोरेट शोज के लिए, academy shows के लिए. So this is one of our academy events that we present to you, the 56th show of JSS Music Academy. And as you can see, JSS, I think a lot of people in the crowd have been a part of our previous shows, and you all know that JSS, whenever comes up with any kind of show, they come up with a particular theme. So today's theme, आज की ये show का जो theme है वो है टपोरी songs. So इसलिए आप नाम देखेंगे आती क्या खंडाला, presented by JSS Music Academy and Gainak Entertainments. आज के शो में हम काफ़ी मज़ेदार गाने सुनेंगे, foot tapping numbers. We'll be witnessing 1990s के एरा से 1980s के एरा से कुछ गाने सुनेंगे. काफ़ी सारे कुछ गाने हम 2000s के एरा से सुनेंगे. So let me not take much of your time and quickly start this show.
To all my dear JSS guys, for this wonderful show that we are about to present, along with this wonderful team of musicians. So we will be starting very shortly with the event. As usual, we begin with the auspicious lighting of lamp, Deep Prajalan. Request for the track to be played, Deep Prajalan song track to be played. Rajeshwari and Preeti will do the honor of lighting the lamp.
एयरप्लेन मोड पर रखता.
Good evening, everyone. अरे बेबी तो बोलो. Okay, welcome to our 59th show, and this show is very special because ये जो पूरा show है based on a very very special music director of our industry, music industry, and that's none other than Kanchanda and Varman. तो आज हमें बहुत सारे म्यूजिकल गाने हैं, हम उससे कुछ सुंदर गाने आपके सामने लेकर आएंगे और हमारा जो पहला गीत है.
Team and a very warm welcome to one and all. I अमृत अचिपालिया आपका होस्ट आज की इस महफिल में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं. JSS Music Academy's 60th show at काशीनाथ घाणेकर. कोई यहाँ नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ नाचे नाचे. जी हाँ, as you all can see, the big picture over here is enough for me to tell you कि आज के इस शो का जो थीम है वो है बप्पी लहरी. बप्पी दा के जो कंपोज किए हुए गाने हैं, बप्पी दा के जो गाए हुए गाने हैं, उनके सॉन्ग्स का एक प्रेजेंटेशन हम आपके सामने लेकर आए हैं आज. यहाँ पे आज जो भी सारे सिंगर्स को आप देखेंगे, ये सारे के सारे हॉबी सिंगर्स हम उन्हें कहते हैं. हॉबी सिंगर्स हम इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये प्रोफेशनली या कमर्शियल इंटेंट के हिसाब से गाते नहीं हैं. ये अपनी हॉबी और पैशन को परस्यू करने के लिए म्यूजिक परस्यू करते हैं. एंड JSS Music Academy is one such place where we try to give platform to such people who want to pursue music. So we often tell people that chalo step out of your bathroom and kitchens and come on the stage and stand and sing in front of the audience like you. So a huge round of applause for this entire team जो आज आपके सामने ये शो प्रेजेंट करने जा रही है. ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा आपका. शो के बारे में तो हम कह चुके हैं, आपको ज्यादा बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. सुना के आपको आप बताएंगे कि आज का शो किस बारे में है. कुछ सॉन्ग्स हम कैरेओके पे प्रेजेंट करेंगे, कुछ सॉन्ग्स हम लाइव बैंड पे प्रेजेंट करेंगे. वी हैव विद अस ऑन द ड्रम्स आकाश अय्यर. On the guitar and vocals we have Nishant Das Adhikari, and on the bass guitar we have Sunil Soren. Let's go ahead. So a very warm welcome to one and all. I, Amrit Achipalia, on behalf of JSS Music Academy, welcomes you all to this beautiful evening. आज की ये हसीन शाम जहाँ पे JSS Music Academy अपना 62nd शो प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, जिसका नाम है झूमे नाचे गाएं चलो आज सारी रात. This show is going to bring to you some really fast धमाल मस्ती वाले गाने. काफी सारे songs lined up है. This is a very special show to us because you guys are going to see Akash Iyer today being introduced on the drums, who happens to be the son of Dr. Ramnath, who is a co-founder of this music academy, JSS Music Academy. So, few performances down the line, we will have him on the stage with us. Till then, let's begin with today's show with the first performance.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I, Snehal Kamble and Amrita Mishra at the JSS Music Academy welcome you, each and every one of you tonight, to the 63rd show of our academy, supported by Dare to Fit Gym. Thank you so much for taking out the time from your busy schedule and choosing to spend the evening with us.
We have arranged a wonderful show for you this evening, filled with music and fun. And what is so special about this show is that after a long time we are organizing a show which is based on the hits of 90s era. And this era for me is filled with songs which are romantic with beautiful locations. And I'm sure many of you would relate to that. So sit and enjoy this evening.
The golden classic of 50s and 60s have their own beauty, but the songs of 90s, they have their own charm that we can't deny. These are the songs that most of us have grown up listening to. The era which was dominated by singers like Udit Narayan, Kumar Sanu, Abhijit, Alka Yagnik, Kavita Krishnamurthy, Sadhna Sargam, and many more.